Nestled in this beautiful valley of Ojai, California, a unique new experience awaits you. Zubin and Shahstra, eclectic visionary artists living in Ojai, California, are the founders of the In-Spirit Foundation. They created the walk as a way for people to experience the integration of art, nature, and spirit, and to provide a natural environment for community events, such as theater delight.
It's funny because there are very few really unique experiences left that you can have in this life. And this was one for me. This was amazing.
I'm at a place in my life where I'm asking pretty deep questions of myself, and this is a place where I can come to ask those questions and be able to hear the answers.
I felt very warm and nurtured by this, and I look forward to the next time.
In the walk, we have a chance to be with ourselves, in ourselves. People come to me for prescription. You know, they want maybe a tranquilizer. Well, what that does is it dulls you. It may make you less anxious, but it really dulls your mind. And here we have what I would call a natural tranquilizer that expands your mind, stimulates your mind, brings you back to your inner creativity, your inner joy, inner sense of fun.
When your question has been planted, like a seed sown for harvest, then you're ready to receive your answers. You begin. The external design reflects your inner artistry. You access the intricacy and simplicity of truth. Who are you? As you look at yourself, you may begin to see yourself differently as you wander through this timeless journey. The interplay of silence and sound attune you to a deeper place within yourself. Express yourself creatively. Feel your inner nature. Take a moment for yourself, your inner self. Let go. Listen. Pick a rune. Now you are ready to hear your own answer.
It brings out the child in me. It's very playful and it takes you on a journey, you know, reflective.
You know, I asked a major question that I've been asking for myself for a long time, and it actually answered it. There are two parts of the walk that answer questions. And I had someone, a friend, who was behind me about 20 minutes, and he asked a question and it answered it. But not just answered it as in the sense of call 1-800-PSYCHIC hotline. We can answer all your questions. It was specifically answered.
You know, I was in such a deep state of contemplation as I walked through it, and it made me deepen my own process.
As artists, Zubin and I were deeply moved by the process of creating the walk. We'd like to invite you to come and take the walk for yourself and discover what it might reveal to you.